In this presentation, I'm introducing the phonics fence using ending blend LE. I got this idea from the last video I done. Here's what you got to do. First find LE, then move one letter to the left. That's where you will find the fence. The phonics fence is where syllables are separated. Now if there's a CK to the left of the LE, then place the fence behind the C in the CK sound. K, k. As example, B, like table. P, like purple. Gall, there's a fence, like giggle. And call, there's a fence, like pickle. Get ready. Here we go. No child left behind. Candle. Cat. Can. All. Doll. Can. Doll. Candle. E is silent. Fence goes between the N and the D. You spell can and then spell dog. 2 syllable. Can dog. Easy. Amble. A. Am. B. All. Ball. Am. Ball. Amble. Silent E. M and the B where you place the fence. Spell am and then spell ball. Amble. Apple. A. P. App. P. All. Paul. App. Paul. Oh. Apple. E silent. Always split 2 letters that look just alike. The letter always go between those 2 letters that looks just alike. PP. Go between the P and the B. Angle. A. And. G. All. Gall. And. Go. Angle. E is silent. The letter go between the N and the G. G, and then go. Table. T, A, T, B, all, ball, T, ball, table. Silent E. Ladder behind the B. Tay and then ball. Cable. K. A. K. B. All. Ball. K. Ball. Cable. Okay. There's your ladder. Maple. A. May. P. All. Paul. May. Paul. Maypole. Silent E. And the letter always goes 1 letter to the left of the L, which is the P. The letter always goes there. That separates the syllable. People. P. E. P. P. All. Paul. P. Paul. People. People. O and the P. There you go. Good. Google. G. Ooh. Goo. G. Oh. Go. Goo. Go. Google. O and the G. Silent E. O and the G. Good. Separated right there. Bible. B. I. Buy. B. Oh. Ball. Buy. Ball. Bible. I and the B. Silent E. Buy and ball. Good. Circle. S. Sir. K. All. Call. Sir. Call. Circle. R and the C. Silent E. There you go. There your fence. R and C. Sir. Sir. All. Call. Circle. Turtle. T. Tur. T. All. Tall. Tur. Tall. Turtle. R and the T. Silent E. Good. Purple. P. Per. P. All. Paul. Per. Paul. Purple. See how easy that is to spell these words, man? It's easy. Per on one side, Paul on the other side. Marble. M. R. Mar. B. Oh. Ball. Mar. Ball. Marble. R and the B. Silent E. Mar. And then ball. Marble. Pickle. P. E. P. K. Pick. K. All. Call. Pick. All. Pickle. Okay, silent E. Now watch the fence behind the C. K is silent. Fence goes behind the C because the C and the K makes the same sound. K. So the fence goes behind the C. Nickle. N. E. Ni. K. Nick. K. All. Call. Nick. All. Nickel. Same situation. E is silent, K is silent, and the fence goes behind the C. Because the C and the K make the same sound, so they cancel one another out. So it's K. Let's go. Tickle. T. E. Tick. Tick. K. All. Call. Tick. All. Tickle. Same thing. E and K, and the fence goes behind the C. So you always put the CK along with the LE. Call. Middle. M. E. Mid. Mid. D. All. Doll. Mid. All. Middle. E is silent. This ladder goes, the fence goes between the two D's. One D is silent. The fence goes between the two D's. Always. You got two letters just alike. The fence automatically goes between those two letters that are just alike. BB, DD, CC, SS. Bottle. B, ah, bot. Bot. T, all. Tall. Bot. All. Bottle. Silent E. Fence goes between the two T's because they are just alike. Just alike. Okay. Bubble. B. Bub. Bub. B. All. Ball. Bub. All. Bubble. Silent E. One of the B's is silent, and the fence goes between the two B's. Yes. Bub. All. Bubble. Buckle. B. Buck. Buck. K. All. Call. Buck. All. Buckle. E silent. K silent. Fence goes behind the C. Good. Jungle. J. J. John. G. All. Go. Jungle. Jungle. E is silent. Fence goes between the N and the G. Yes, so you divide the syllable right there. Jungle. Jungle. Couple. K. Ka. P. All. Paul. Ka. Paul. Couple. Silent E. Fence goes between the U and the P. Couple. Couple. Couple means two. Two of anything is a couple. Couple of dogs, couple of chickens, a couple of bears,